Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Evans.
And I'm Jen.
And we are here to talk about Bayside Institute. Jen, you have been slam-packed this summer, from Wellness Week to what else you have going on? Because that was a lot.
We've had a lot going on this summer, all sorts of good stuff, including a really cool cooking demo just last week with Ronnie Burkle. We've had a pasta making class, 2-day photography, all kinds of really good stuff.
Very, very cool. It's been really exciting to see. All right, so it's been a busy, busy summer, a lot going on, and now we are kind of getting towards the tail end
of summer already. It's hard to believe.
I cannot believe it. So yeah. I know for those of us that are a little bit, learning on our iPhones, you have a class to help us out, right?
Yes, and I need all the help I can get. I keep getting those little clouds with the arrow thing for all my apps, so I'm very much looking forward to iPhone Basics next week with our iPaddy. So join us for that.
iPaddy. All right. Okay, I get it. I get it. I like it.
Yes.
I get it. And then I also heard a really cool class, where a photography class.
Another photography class with Julie Linz again. We're going to go on just like a guided photo walk down at the point. So you have an expert there to help guide you as you take pictures for your last chance to enter into the photo contest.
That is awesome. Okay, that is that's a lot. Is there anything else more? Because I can barely handle that.
All kinds of stuff, but if you need a little break from all of that, we have mindful meditation and yoga with Raylan, who was here for Wellness Week. She's back again. All yoga levels, so if you, everything from chair yoga and more, she'll guide you through.
She's amazing. Yeah, she's really, really cool, and it's been great to have her come to Bayside. Okay, so how does someone register for a class?
BaysideInstitute.com. You can see the full schedule and click the class you want to register for.
All you got to do, BaysideInstitute.com. Live, love, learn Bayside.